Sir, proceeding to item 2.1, the submission and opening of quotation. This is for the list of venue for the CAAP-wide strategic planning workshop with CBA number 2026-05826 and user ODG core plan. At this point, sir, the Secretary confirms that we received 3 sealed quotations for this project. May we invite representatives from different hotels who submitted their quotations to please join us in the proceedings po. While we invite the representative of different hotels, sir, the TWG would like to recommend something, Mr. Chair.
Good morning, Mr. Chair. The BAC TWG respectfully requesting consideration and approval of the following TWG member for this project, namely Mr. Priam Paul Marie Santos, Mr. Rochelle Puentes, Attorney Clint Kevin Bonete, and Mr. Mark Kevin Badwa. Sir.
Mr. Chair, move to adopt the recommendation designating Mr. Fuentes et al. As the technical working group for this project.
I second the motion, Mr. Chair.
Motion is approved.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Chair, to the representative of 3 different hotels. Sir, ma'am, magandang umaga po. Thank you for joining us in the proceedings po. Please be informed that this proceeding is recorded for documentation and transparency purposes po. And for the record, ma'am, sir, may I kindly request each one of you to please identify yourself and state the company you represent before we start the opening of quotations po. Salamat po.
Yeah. Magandang umaga. I am Myra Luna Rafer from Club Balay Isabel.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Alanis Nicola Dines from Alprops Management and Realty Inc., operator of Monte Vista Resort.
Morning po.
Good morning po. From Abagatan, Team Manila, Ken Bauyon po.
Morning, sir. Sir, this is to confirm that the trick quotation is well represented po during the opening for today, sir. Permission to proceed, sir. Yes, proceed. Sir, we're going to first proceed to the opening of quotation for the Club Balay Isabel Inc. To the representative, ma'am, good morning po. Can you confirm ito po ba yung pinasan yung submission kanina in the form of sealed brown envelopes sa Secretariat? With that confirmation, Mr. Chair, giving the floor to the technical working group for the opening, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Chair. The TWG received brown envelope, properly sealed, with 2 signature. Permission to open the bid, sir. Thank you. Inside the brown envelope containing documents, 2 documents, 1 is the photocopy and 1 original.
Mr. Chair, the submission are the documents without tabbings, pagination, nor initials on each and every page. Checklist, please.
Checklist. Valid field jobs registration certificate.
Valid PhilJEP certificate with issued on July 9, 2025, valid until July 9, 2026, with 3 pages. Mayor's permit valid until January 15, 2020. Issued on January 15, 2026 and valid until December 31, 2026. Tax clearance issued on June 30, 2025. Expiration date June 30, 2026. Audit financial statement Date of filing, April 29, 2025. Current asset, 116 million. Submitted. Pickup license, not applicable. Thank you. PhilJep submitted.
Valid mayor's permit or business permit.
Valid mayor's permit, date issued on January 15, 2026, valid until December 31, 2026.
Submitted.
Submitted.
Income or business tax return.
Income tax return submitted, valid until
For the year.
for the year ended December 2025. Submitted.
Duly accomplished request for quotation or proposal form in the prescribed format as attached.
Submitted. In the amount of 1,434,586.60 centavos. No discount on the ABC.
No discount and below the ABC. Again, Mr. Chair, the offer of this hotel is in the amount of 1,434,581 pesos and 6 centavos. With no discount and below the ABC.
Initial rated as pass.
Mr. Chair, the second submission is from Alrops Management and Realty Inc. To the representative of Alrops, ma'am, good morning po. Can you confirm ito po ba yung pinasa nyo sa secretariat kanina na quotation? With that confirmation, Mr. Chair, giving the floor to TWG for the opening, sir.
Again, Mr. Chair, the TWG received a brown envelope, properly sealed with signature. Permission to open the bid, sir. Thank you. Inside the brown envelope, document with tabbings, no initial, with pagination. Checklist, please.
Checklist. Valid PhilJebs registration certificate.
Valid PhilJep certificate issued on April 23, 2026, valid until April 23, 2027, with 3 pages. Annex A. Submitted.
Valid mayor's permit or business permit.
Mayor's permit issued on February 22, 2006. Valid. Valid until December 31, 2026. Submitted.
Income or business tax return.
Annual income business tax return filed
For the tax period.
for the tax period of December 31, 2025. Submitted.
Duly accomplished request for quotation or proposal form in the prescribed format as attached.
Submitted.
In the amount of.
In the amount of 1,202,640 pesos below DABC, Mr. Chair.
Okay, the offer.
Again, the offer of Alphonse
Is it the amount of?
is the amount in the amount of 1,202,640 pesos below ABC. Initial rated as pass.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Proceeding to the next submission from Agabatan Hotels, Inc. To the representative, sir, good morning. Can you confirm, sir, ito po ba yung submission nyo kanina to the back secretariat in the form of sealed long brown envelope? With that confirmation, Mr. Chair, give it the floor to the TWG.
TWG received brown envelope, properly sealed. Proceed to opening the bid. Inside the brown envelope, received the documents with no pagination, with no tabbings,
Our budget is short
nor pagination,
on each and every page.
and initial in every page. Checklist, please.
Checklist. Valid PhilJobs registration certificate.
PhilJobs registration certificate issued on May 17, 2016, valid until, Mr. Chair. Issued on October 19, 2025, valid until October 19, 2026, with 3 pages submitted.
Sir, the Secretariat would like to make note that in Annex A of this supplier, the expiration date of mayor's permit is December 31, 2025, resulting to suspended privileges. Permission to proceed to the reading of the checklist, Mr. Chair.
Valid mayor's permit or business permit.
Mayor's permit issued on January 20, 2026, valid until December 31, 2026, submitted.
Income or business tax return.
Income tax return, submitted.
Duly accomplished request for quotation or proposal form in the prescribed format as attached.
Submitted.
Submitted. The TWG recommended the suspension of this bidder, disqualification of this bidder due to
Suspended.
suspended PhilJobs.
Move to adopt, Mr. Chair, the recommendation disqualifying Abagatan Hotels Incorporated for submitted a suspended field job certificate of registration.
I second the motion, Mr. Chair.
Patingin nga uli, please. Oh. Mali yung term mo, suspended ka. Saan? Anong term?
My prospective bidder to update this current updated class A and building documents shall result in automatic suspension.
Okay. Motion is approved.
Thank you, Mr. Chair, to the representative, sir. Are you going to file for motion for request for reconsideration regarding the disqualification? With that confirmation, sir, you are hereby given 3 calendar days to file your request for reconsideration to the back through the back secretariat. For now, we're going to seal again your submitted quotation po, and we're going to ask you to have initials on it, sir. Thank you, sir. Mr. Chair, the Secretariat would like to manifest that during the opening, June 8, 2026, the lowest offer during opening is from Alprops Management and Realty Inc. with the offer of 1,202,640 pesos. Below ABC, followed by the offer of Club Balay Isabel in the amount of 1,434,581 pesos and 60 centavos. Sir, and that during the opening, since Alprops Management and Realty Inc. is the lowest offer, and this is a negotiated procurement, sir, the floor is now open for negotiations.
Authorize kayong mag-negotiate with me? Oo. Ano sa labas? Ba't hindi mo siya magpatawag mo? Oo. Yes, oo. Oo. Please, oo. Punta mo.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning po. Thank you for joining us in the proceedings po. Please be informed that this proceeding is recorded for documentation purposes po and for transparency. In view of that, ma'am, may we kindly ask your name and the company you represent po before we start the negotiation process po. Thank you po.
Apo, sir, I'm Paula Peralta po, Sales Supervisor po from Monte Vista Hot Springs and Conference Resort.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning po. Thank you for joining po.
Okay, ma'am. Nakikipag-negotiate raw kami sa inyo. Saan dito? Saan? Sa Pansol?
Yes, sir. Yan, so Kalambal po na po. Along National Highway.
National Highway, no? Grabe.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
kaya,
Therapeutic. Yes, sir.
kailan ka nagpunta doon, Sir Jim? Tagal na. Hindi ka pa nagtra-traffic, no? Traffic. Anyway, ma'am, i-lesson natin yung traffic.
Wala pa yan, sir.
Ilang days ito? Pero, okay.
And then ingress on 15. Around
Kayo,
almost 100, sir.
kayo,
Top management po.
top management.
Area center management.
Oh.
And then support.
Mga ilan lahat? Yung
Yung kinount namin sa around 95.
people,
Yes.
personal. Kasama ako doon.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh. Three days.
Stay in.
Yes, ma'am.
Ano yan, ma'am? Breakfast, mid-morning.
It's for complete po.
Full board meals.
Lunch.
Okay, babaan natin ang 1M.
Yung sa rate po namin actually, sir, is already discounted na po.
Use the con para marinig ka ng mga...
Ayun po, sir, yung in-offer naman po namin sa inyo is already yung government promo rate na po namin siya.
Mhm.
Ayan na po yung pinaka best price po namin sa inyo.
Babaan pa natin. $1.150. Yun.
Yung-
Yes, ma'am. Oo. Authorize ka naman.
Ano na lang, sir? 1.2.
Yun.
Joke lang, sir.
Ako, ma'am, Ilocano. Oh, mas Ilocano ka. Ma'am, babaan natin ng... gawin natin 1 yung 1.1. 150.
Siguro, sir, ang pinaka-maximum po na pwede kong ibigay po ng discount, sir, is mga ano po, 20K po, sir.
20K?
Yes, sir. Opo. Yes.
Magkano? 1,
82, sir. 1182640.
Pagkatin mo na yun. 180. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
May... Saan ang kwarto mo doon?
May iwan ako dito.
May iwan ka.
Captain Chocolate.
Alam mo, pag pinag-usapan ng strategic planning, kakatakot, you know? Strategic kaabuhay.
Strategy.
Kasi yan, mga top management.
Upgraded na ba yung facilities?
Meron na po kami mga renovations po, sir. So, siguro po, pwede po tayo mag-proceed po sa ocular po, post-qualification. Para ma-check niyo po personally po.
May parkingan ba to?
Yes, sir. Enough po ang parking space po.
Weekday naman yan di ba?
Yes, sir. Weekdays.
At saka pasukan na.
Accessible, yes po. Along National Highway lang po.
Ako kinakabahan yung along national highway.
Ganun, sir.
Mga anong oras yung hindi matraffic?
Normally po, pag, for example po, in the morning naman po is okay. So, from here po, Pasay po, mga nasa around 1.5 hours po. Siguro po yung with traffic po, max na talaga yung mga nasa less than 2 hours talaga po, mga 1:45 yung pong travel time. Yes po, opo.
Ilang kwarto yung pag sinabi mo strategic ba, mga ilang kwarto ba yan? 90 plus tayo eh. Ilang kwarto ba yung 43?
Yung sa single rooms po, yes po. Okay naman po lahat ng mga sa single rooms po.
Yun, may single room tayo.
Yung single room, pwede mo sana. Sabi ka sa Denby. Pinabantayan lagi ni Ma'am yan. Kasi baka rayumangin.
Hindi pa siya na yun. So, 180.
Sir?
Okay na ba kayo doon? End user? BFZ? Kwarto pa rin.
Charot-charot sir kasama doon.
May init ba?
Magkasama
May
tayo.
ganyan talaga.
Yes, spring, yes.
24/7 niya.
Yes, yes po.
Kaya ito na hindi.
Mr. Chair, this is to confirm that the new offer of this supplier is in the amount of
Mr. Chair, the TWG recommend to forward the documents to the TWG for evaluation.
Move to adopt, Mr. Chair, the recommendation for the submission of ano to siya? Alprops hotels be subjected to bid evaluation and to accept the offer of 1,180,000 pesos.
Second motion.
This is pending yung
Yes, Mr. Chair, pending resolution of the motion for consideration to be filed by the Agabatan. Yes, Abagatan.
okay. Motion is approved.
Thank you, Mr. Chair, to the representative po. Ma'am, maraming salamat po. We're going to update you regarding the status of your quotation. Salamat po. You are now excused for the rest of the proceedings. Salamat, ma'am.